Rooting Android devices and dealing with CF4 root package files. These are root package files created by Chainfire's CF root tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these CF root package files are and how to handle them safely for Android rooting. I call this the last resort solution for those CF4 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. Users encounter CF4 files when attempting to root their Android devices, a process that grants privileged system access. Their goal is to use this file with flashing tools like Odin to install a modified recovery image and the SuperSU application, enabling advanced customization and system-level control. The CF4 file is a compressed archive, typically in a tar format, containing a specific payload for the device's bootloader. It includes a modified kernel or recovery image and the necessary scripts to install rooting utilities. The structure is designed for direct flashing via specialized desktop software. The fundamental software link for CF4 files is built around CF Auto Root by Chainfire. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows cannot unpack or interpret firmware binaries, so proper access requires dedicated programs. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the CF4 file and hit Open With. Use CF Auto Root if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the CF4 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Failure to open the CF4 file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, verifying device compatibility. CF root packages are device-specific. Verify the CF4 file matches your exact device model and Android version by checking compatibility information on XDA developers forums at xdadevelopers.com. Installing wrong CF root packages can permanently brick your device, making device verification critical before any rooting operations. Next, flashing with Odin. For Samsung devices, use Odin to flash CF4 root packages. Boot the device into download mode, connect via USB launch. Odin, select the CF4 file in the AP slot and start the flash process. Do not interrupt power or USB connection during flashing to prevent device brick. Custom recovery may be needed first depending on the package. Finally, using Magisk instead. Modern Android rooting has moved from CF root to Magisk, which provides systemless rooting with better OTA update compatibility. Download Magisk from magisk.io and follow current rooting guides for your specific device. Magisk preserves device functionality better than older CF root methods, making it the recommended modern approach for Android rooting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.